how to filter comments on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can filter comments on Instagram. So filtering comments on Instagram is essential to maintain a positive and respectful environment. By using comment filters, you can automatically hide or block offensive or spammy comments. And how do you do so? It is very simple. The first step is to move to the bottom right corner of your account and click on your profile icon. After doing that, you'll be brought to the profiles page. On this page, move to the top right corner, click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. And then once this page is displayed, amongst the options, select settings and privacy. On the settings and privacy page, you'll see some options. So just ensure you scroll down and select limit interactions. And then on the interactions page, ensure you select continue. And then you'll be brought to the limit comments page. So on this page, you can select account that you would like to limit the comment. And so after selecting them, if you would want accounts that are not following you not to be able to send the messages, ensure you leave this turned on, but you can turn it off if you want to. Then set how long you want the limitation to last. Click on set reminder and then click on turn on, and then just like that the limit will be turned on, and comments from this account would be restricted. So this is how you can filter comments on Instagram. You can easily select those you want comments from and those that you don't. Thank you for watching and have a good day.